guys, I've just finished my live stream. I haven't just finished the live stream. I've actually just put Sia away after the live stream. So she was out and she was just crawling around here and hanging pretty close, it was lovely. That is the best way for me to describe it. But I turned around and of course Lily was there, and Lily has been there for half an hour doing this. This is, guys, what living with snakes is all about. You know, I just get one home. Don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining. I just get one home. And then my other girl is, of course, wanting to come out. I'm going to grab her. Why not grab her? I don't need to grab Lily at all. She's just the girl that says, "Oh, come on out, Mum, and say hello to you. Hey, you part of Mum's family. Hey, are you my girl, by any chance?" She said, "I saw another snake over here next to you. Where has she gone?" Like she knew Sia was here. And I knew she wanted to come out. This was you have another snake next to you. You're handling another snake. You're talking to another snake. And she was pacing. She most definitely wanted to be out here with us both. And, you know, Sia's been with me for a little while, but I'm not ready to expose her to my other snakes. I know she was in a closed room for 2 years where there was no known illnesses or anything going on, but I still like to keep that separate. I have sprayed everything down. I have sprayed myself even I don't know if that's good for me to spray myself with F10, but you know, I make sure that I've cleaned myself up and cleaned the area up so that keep it, you know, as free from stuff as I possibly can. But you know, Sia seems fine. What you doing? Would you like to do a Sia thing and spend? Oh, I'm not climbing on the camera. Sia would. Most of my other snakes would. But getting Lily to actually just chill with me is not exactly easy. And that isn't because she doesn't like me or anything like that. It's Lily. Just easy, outgoing, wants to just do her own thing and explore, and she doesn't, you know, we've known each other a long time, guys. It's not like I'm new to her, or I need to get to know her, or she needs to get to know me. Far from it. I think I know Lily very, very well at this point in her life, and I know exactly where she wants to go, and I'm not going to, well, I am going to let her, just not right now. My dog wants to go out. Where are you going, Lau? By any chance would you be going up? And if you go up, that means, what it always means, I have to turn off my fan. And it's not that very often Lily will head out onto the other area up there where, and see, she wants to just to go on up. So I'll help her out. I don't know if she's going to go to the basket or whether she's going to go up here. She'll decide. I'm guessing. Well, go and get your booty up. Okay? So this is life. living with snakes. You know, come on out, sweetie. Come out and have some fun and do your thing, and Mum's here and I'll watch you and I'll take care of you. And I promise I won't go to the shop today. I will remember that you're out today. Silly me. Totally silly me. But yeah, this is what Lily will do. Pretty much every day of her life when she isn't digesting. Although when Lily is in shed, I don't see much of her either. And it's so funny that, you know, when she is in shed, or even those couple of days of digesting, you know, people get their snakes out. You know, they could feed their snakes in the morning and then they'll get their snakes out that evening. I don't have a problem with that if that's, you know, but you do need to give them time to digest that rat in their belly. That's very important that you do that. But Lily doesn't want to come out. And I know she doesn't want to come out after she's eaten because she's not at the door. So that's what I know, that Lily doesn't want out. And after a couple of days, after she's eaten, she'll be back at the door. So why would I want to bring her out knowing full well that Lily will want to come out without me bringing her out? And that is where I've got to with Lily in my life. You know, when she goes into shed, and it will take her, it's about, sometimes 2 weeks, you know, where Lily, and I'm not really watching the camera, guys, I'm sorry, very sorry. 2 weeks where she'll hide away while she's going through that shedding process. And I miss her. You know, I do miss her. And I sit here going, oh, Lily, you know, are you going to come out, doll? But I know she doesn't want to. And she's saying to me, Mum, you know, I come out, you know, I come out often. And I come out and see you all of the time. But I'm shedding. And I don't want to come out. And I know it wouldn't hurt her to do it. Oh, I get that it wouldn't hurt. And I know lots of people that do that too. Get their snakes out when they know they could shed that day. I don't have a problem with that either. But what I do is I respect Lily. And that's all I'm doing. I'm respecting her by saying to her, I understand. You're in shed. You don't want to come out. She just wants to be left alone. So that's what I do, guys. I leave her alone. I get plenty of time with Lily. So that's living with snakes. And that's allowing them to live with you. You know, we have to allow them to live with us because we live with them. And that's acknowledging their wishes. And when you have to the point where I feel I've got with, say, Jack and Lily at this particular stage, being my older snakes, then why do I have to physically force them to come out when I know they'll do that willingly, all on their own? And I think she's, you're not going to be going down there, because I don't let you go down there, do I? Hey, you're not allowed to go down there, darling. Oh, people can't see you, sweet. That is just a camera. Just Mum's camera. I think she thinks it's a part of my hand these days. I'll move that over there. There you go. Sorry, just moving it so you don't put your head down there. So yeah, when I talk about living with snakes, this is how I live with them. This is how I do it. Lily wanted out, and I'll follow her. So you can see where she's got her tail resting up there. Just might stop there and have a rest, hey? Well, that's blurry because I'm in Zoom and I moved. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I'll ever get the hang of doing this camera stuff. Surely I won't. Oh, you're moving again. No, no, that's a no. No in that little gap. Come here. Yes. Oh, I don't know. Where are you going? Where are you going to go? I am watching. So guys, that was all while Lily was coming out. A little portion of the day. Thus far. Thus far. I'll just do a quick up here. Won't be able to see Jack. He's down in his hide. Warm hide. There's the heat mat. Mat under that one. Where I must remember. Don't stand too close. Stand back, Mum. Don't get too close to the glass. And I've got that light there. Whoop. There you go. I stand there, she'll smash that glass. No ifs, buts or otherwise. She's got a full belly. Totally got a full belly. Because I just fed her yesterday, well last night. So it should be still looking pretty full, or feeling pretty, not looking. Oh, good one. And I don't even want to move my hand. And I'm standing a distance away from her. So, whoop, I'll move away from her. And I'll move over to Lil, because she's going down, down, down. I have to climb here, there and everywhere to get in here. I'm going to lift her up, up. Come on. Lady Lou. Lady Lily it is. Okay. So on that note, and grumble over there, still staring at me through that glass, I am going to say, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of your snakes. Ciao.